Alright, well, next we are working on these compartments. We got some issues with the carpet right there. I don't think that's a huge deal. I don't think. But we'll see with that. But right now, you know, you press it, but there's no way that I gotta like pry it to get it open. It's just terrible. And then this one is cracked. Needs to be completely replaced. And try and put the original not too bad. Try and put the original straps that go here. You can pick those up on eBay, or Zip's Corvette is where I got them, and I'll show you what I got. Hit my head. So these are the original straps. You didn't see too many videos about these. It doesn't look, maybe because it's somewhat simple. Some new rubber bumpers that go in there, and then I bought these surrounds. You got to buy them in a kit. That's the biggest pain in the butt, just to get the one that was broken, but then I'll have the other two as backups, I guess. These were 35, 6, and 29, I think. I did find them on eBay for around 20, but I was already ordering all this, so it all just came as one. So they got all sorts of different colors. This one's obviously black. These little bumpers, you gotta look. I freaked out because I didn't know if they were in there after I saw them online. But they go like right there. So these are there. So I probably just wasted $6 on that, but you don't want to pay for the shipping. They get you on some of these sites on the shipping. So I just decided to throw them in. So this is going to be the biggest challenge. You got to get that off and see how to get the new surround on. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alright, so in this compartment, that's all fiberglass. So you don't want to drill through the side of that, so I'm thinking I need to glue it. It's basically these 3 bolts that are there, and this will come right off. Different models are different, so make sure you look. Some are like one big on one side, like there's basically only 2. Some this whole piece, this is a whole piece that goes around too. So if that's cracked, you got to buy the whole plastic piece and the surrounds for these. So, you know, check that out and check this out. Oh, this doesn't have the rubber bumpers there. That's weird. This one's a complete pain in the butt to get open. Stand corrected. But it's got its rubber pieces in there. This light is a whole other story. I'm gonna have to look at that, clean that out. Yeah. Alright, let's get going with these guys. Alright, last one. This is a 1/4-inch socket, by the way. That helps you. A couple minutes. I already loosened it. Now I'm just trying to get her out. And there you have it. So, here's the old one. It looks like it's just glue. That's glue inside those holes. You'll see it's been repaired a few times. You got a crack there with some glue. Crack there, crack there. The new one, by the way, the other one will not fit on this. It's just gonna go over it. Now they do have screw holes in there. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to screw. I mean, I guess I could. It's just fiberglass. Let's see what we're gonna do. So there's the frame off. It basically just disintegrated in my hand. There are some little tabbies sticking up, so we're gonna try and place the new one over it and see what we're working with. All right, the new one's on. Still a little glue in there. I don't know. Let's take a look at that. But all you need is 8 black screws that it doesn't come with. So if you want to screw it, you're screwed. Just find 8 black short screws. Great. Alright, so that's the final product. All the way around, I end up using some glue around the edge. You can pick the glue of your choice. But I'll tell you, this stuff is fiberglass. It is wicked. You'll be picking it out of your fingers. So we're going to get this back in and put the other handles, if you will, on the other side, and we'll be good to go. We'll give you a final look. Okay, so for the straps, you can see there's a little hole there, and I've already started it there. We'll get that screw all the way down, and then there's a little nut that goes on the back. So pretty simple. Alright, so a little cramp back here, but now you get the strap. Press the button. And there you go. Easy peasy every time. Goes down, locks in. Press the button while you're pulling up on the little leather strap. Now you got it. And then you can see back underneath the hole right there. Screws in there. Good to go. Boom. Alright, so we got all three of those handles on, and then you just basically, boom, look at that. They screw onto the bottom, they go down, locks, it's locked, you hit the button while you're pulling, and there you go. That's it. 3 little rings. Ring a ding ding. All 3 of them. Alright, there you go. All done. Looks good around there. A little dark in here. Sorry about that. We're good to go. Alright.